Hey guys, Marcus from Marcus Builds here. In this video, I build the Norden Gateleg table from Ikea. So this table is now my Lego building table, which you'll see in many of the videos today. It was an easy table to assemble, and as you will see, my kids join in and help. It's a great table. It folds up quick, easy to be put away, but it is a heavy unit. So be careful lifting it or pushing it around your house. I ended up modifying it by putting some wheels on it to make it easier to push around. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Cheers guys. So there you have it. The Ikea Norden Gateleg is built. So as you can see, the table folds up and the legs come out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.